Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Bo Peep on Dress to Impress. Super simple for this tutorial. You do need VIP for this. For the hair, I just use this hair here, this updo one in this color. And then for the bangs, I just use this one. Simple, simple. For the headpiece, I obviously had to use this one in this color, but like bright. Actually, it's this color. This one's the one that's supposed to be a little bit brighter than that. And then for the fit, we're going to go here and we're going to use the skirt in this pattern. This one. And then we're going to use this skirt in the fourth toggle in this color. And then we are going to also use this top here. And then no color. Then we're going to color that pink. And then we're going to use this blue here. This one. Then we're going to just color the rest in white. Then to cover that part up, we're just going to use this in that same pattern. For the shoes, I'm just going to use these Mary Janes in black. And then for the stick, you can use the one from VIP, but you can also use this one from Codes. Turn off the X and just color it this light blue color. And voila, that is it. It's super simple to make this. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.